This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID password on your iPhone, your iPad. It's very easy to do. So I'm just going to do this on my iPad just because it's a little easier for me to see. We can just go over to a web browser. So you can go to Safari if you want, but I'm just going to go to Brave here. And then at the top where the URL is, all we want to do is just type in, we can go to account.apple.com. That would work. Or we can type in appleid.apple.com. appleid.apple.com. And then click go. And it'll bring you to this page where you can adjust your Apple settings. So it will say sign in with your Face ID if you got an iPhone, or just sign in with the password on your iPad here. But we can see all the different options on here. On the left side, personal information, sign in, security. We can go to iPhone numbers, or well, it says email and phone numbers right here. You can add a new email address if you want right here. You can delete your primary, add phone numbers, etc. But right here is password. We can just go to this. Type in your current password, go to your new password, and then just confirm the password right there. And you can change that around for your Apple ID very easily. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.